The 2025 Aprilia RS V4 1100 Factory is a masterpiece that redefines the boundaries of performance, technology, and design in the world of supersport motorcycles. With its aggressive styling and aerodynamic enhancements, this machine is built to turn heads both on the track and on the street. The sleek lines, premium carbon fiber elements, and MotoGP-inspired winglets give it a commanding presence, signaling its racing pedigree. Underneath the striking exterior lies a 1099cc V4 engine that delivers breathtaking power and torque. The engine's refined mapping and advanced electronic management system ensure a seamless blend of raw performance and control. Riders can expect lightning-fast acceleration, a thrilling top end, and a soundtrack that stirs the soul, courtesy of its distinctive exhaust note. The RS V4 1100 Factory is equipped with state-of-the-art electronics, including a 6-axis IMU, advanced traction control, wheelie control, and cornering apps. These features, paired with customizable riding modes, allow riders to tailor the bike's behavior to their preferences and the riding environment. The quick shifter and auto blipper enhance gear shifts, ensuring every ride feels effortless yet exhilarating. Aprilia's dedication to handling and stability is evident in the bike's chassis and suspension setup. The lightweight aluminum frame, combined with Öhlins semi-active suspension, provides razor-sharp handling and impeccable feedback. Whether carving through tight corners or pushing the limits on a straight, the RS V4 1100 Factory inspires confidence and delivers a dynamic riding experience. Braking performance is equally impressive, thanks to Brembo-style calipers and high-performance brake discs. The braking system offers incredible stopping power, allowing riders to push the boundaries with the reassurance of precise control. The lightweight forged aluminum wheels and high-performance Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa tires further enhance grip and agility. Aprilia has also ensured that the RS V4 1100 Factory provides an immersive rider experience with its cutting-edge digital display. The large TFT screen offers clear and customizable readouts, including lap timers, navigation assistance, and real-time telemetry. Connectivity features enable riders to sync their smartphones, adding an extra layer of convenience. Beyond its performance credentials, the 2025 Aprilia RS V4 1100 Factory is a testament to meticulous craftsmanship and premium quality. Every component, from the materials used to the finish, reflects Aprilia's commitment to excellence. This is a bike that not only delivers unmatched performance but also embodies the essence of Italian motorcycling heritage. The 2025 Aprilia RS V4 1100 Factory is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of intent for riders who demand the very best. Whether you're chasing lap records, exploring winding roads, or simply seeking the ultimate thrill, this machine is ready to deliver an unforgettable experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe.